Kasi we will talk about na the different structure to write your script, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, pinupuno ko muna kayo ng prinsipyo before writing the script. Para kasi mamaya, or in doing your assignment, mas maano tayo, mas madali tayong makakagawa. No? So, here are the different structure to write your script. Alam niyo na to kung nagbinasa niyo yung worksheet. So, medyo na-spoil na kayo. Pero I will discuss more about this. Gusto niyo bang malaman to, different structure to write your script? And actually, etong structure na to ay nakatulong sa akin personally para makagawa ng script in no time. Tama ba yung terms ko? Parang makagawa ng script kahit hindi ko masyadong kailangan ng preparation. No? Well, lalo kung Tagalog yung content. Dahil Tagalog speaker naman ako. No? So meron, yes, yung akala mo yun na yun, those are the blocks. Those are the blocks. Pero this is a specific structure na pwedeng gamitin. No? Ibig sabihin, ito yung sequential kung paano isi-sequence yung script. Sequential na to. Tama ba yung mga term ko? Basta parang may sequence na dito sa mga structure. No? Ano yung una, ano yung next, ano yung paano yung huli. No? Ayan. Different structure to write your script. Number one, alam niyo na to, baka alam niyo na, great video. No? Great video. Well, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ito yung format na pwede nyong sundin kapag gagawa kayo ng video. First is to grab their attention. No? Figure out how can you grab their attention. No? Yan, i-figure out mo kung paano mag-grab yung attention. In any ways, no? In any ways, yung hook nga, yung hook na binigay ko sa inyong template, those hooks can grab attention. So, kumbaga, i-ano nyo kung paano nyo siya magagawa. And number 2, restate the problem. No? Sabihin mo kung ano yung usually na problema or usual na problema or parang common na nangyayari. Kung naranasan mo siya, pwede mo siyang sabihin or what. Kung ano man. No? Number 3, explain the solution. I-explain mo na dito kung ano yung solution mo dun sa problem na tinatalakay mo. No? And number 4, add an actual proof. Importante na meron pruweba yung kung ano yung mga solusyon na sinasabi mo. No? Pwedeng sabihin mo sa video or pwedeng ipakita mo na lang as visual. Add an actual proof. No? Lastly, tell them what to do next. Anong gagawin nila next? Ito ay base din sa kung ano yung blocks na tinalakay ko kanina. Kung ano yung mga blocks. So, hooks, problem, solution, may add lang na actual proof, pero meron din call to action. Pero at least, this is the structure that you can use in writing your script. Great video. No? Great video. Iba sa inyo alam na to eh. So, hindi ko na siya masyadong i-discuss. Pero at least, sana naintindihan nyo tong number 1. As an example is like this. Ito ay ginawa kong video last year ata. Mga ganun. Ayan. So, as you can see, nandiyan yung mga bawat segment ng great video na structure. Ayan. Grab attention, I grab the attention by sparking the curiosity ng mga tao. No? Can freelancing pay your monthly bills? Diba kasi yun kasi yung usually misconception about freelancing. Hindi stable. So, ginawa kong mas specific, imbis na stability, monthly bills para at least makarelate yung mga tao. Na, lahat naman, lahat naman merong monthly bills eh. So, mababayaran ba ng freelancing yung monthly bills mo? So, I spark the curiosity. I grab the attention by sparking their curiosity. So, yan, no? Meron akong parang filler. Let me tell you what I learned about freelancing over the years. No? And also, I restate the problem. Ano yung 3 problema na kadalasan nangyayari? Sinabi ko dyan, well, sinabi ko yung experience ko na ang alam ko, unstable yung freelancing. Merong project, merong wala. And also, ang alam ko doon, kailangan mo ng excellent skill para bayaran ka ng mas malaki. 'Di ba? And ang alam ko sa freelancing, kailangan mong magtrabaho ng buong araw para ma-reach mo yung monthly income goal mo. So, nagkaroon na naman ako ng parang transition filler words, no? And so I did my research. Nag-research ako, ganyan para ay na-discover ko na meron palang simpleng way para magawa ko 'yon, para magkaroon ng consistent project kahit walang masyadong portfolio and hindi masyadong nagtatrabaho. No? So, in-explain ko paano yon. Paano yung gagawin. Explain the solution. No? Kung mapapansin nyo, itong problem ay related, yung number 1 problem ay related sa number 1 problem. Number 2 problem ay, yung number 1 problem ay related sa number 1 na solution. Number 2 na problem ay related sa number 2 na solution. No? So, yan, sabi ko dyan, unstable yung freelancing, akala ko nun, hindi laging may project, pero sabi ko dito, I learned how to promote myself to the point na meron ng project lined up after another. Number 2, sabi ko dyan, yung problem ko, kailangan ng skill, ng excellent skill. No? So, sinabi kong solution, kailangan lang pala, pakita ko yung skill ko in a way na valuable to sa mga client para bayaran nila ako ng mas malaki. No? And number 3 problem ay kailangan mag-work ng mas madaming araw para nga ma-reach yung monthly income goal. Pero ang solusyon, kailangan ng sistema na mag-work like a machine para hindi na masyadong matagal yung paggawa ng isang project. 'Di ba? So, that's what I meant when I say organize. Make it organize. Yung structure. 'Di ba? Connected yung bawat solusyon. Connected yung problem sa solusyon. No? So, actual proof, pinakita ko yan dun sa video ko sa as visual. Pinakita ko na yan, maraming pera. Maraming pera, nakakabayad ng mga bills. Pinakita ko yan doon. And dito sa part na to, freelancing is building business. And I just want to tell you that this type of job might actually pay your monthly bill. Ganon. Pinakita ko siya as an actual proof sa visual. And tell them what to do. Dito kasi hindi ko gustong magpa-subscribe or what. Gusto ko lang talagang malaman sa kanila na dapat maging intentional ka lang talaga. No? Maging intentional ka. Kung gusto mong makabayad talaga ng monthly bill mo as freelancer, kailangan maging intentional ka sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Ayun lang yung point ko doon. So, ito yung naging call to action ko. That is if we are intentional on doing what we need to do. It's your boy Eb, and that's my story. Ganon. Tsaka kung mapapansin nyo, itong hook ko, tsaka yung call to action ay somehow connected. No? Ito yung babasahin ko. Can freelancing pay your monthly bills? Patanong. Tapos sinagot ko na dito. Parang kumbaga, yes, that is if we are intentional on doing what we need to do. Di ba? Sinagot ko na dito sa call to action eh. Di ba? So, can freelancing pay your monthly bills? Yes, that is if we are intentional on doing what we need to do. Di ba? So, connected siya. So, that's what I meant about making it organized. Learning ba so far? Kasi meron pa tayo ibang structure. Learning ba so far in di ba nakakatulong pag merong structure kasi parang meron ka ng template na sinusunod. No? And also, nga pala, kaya hindi ko kayo binibigyan ng mismong word by word na template. I'm giving you structure, hindi template pala. Kasi, I want you to write and I want you to challenge to write with your own voice. No? Ano nga natin para mas clear to? I-full screen natin yung mukha ko yan. I don't give you a template about the script kasi gusto ko na you are writing based on your own voice, not because merong template. No? Kasi yan eh, iba-iba yan eh, 'di ba? Iba-iba yung voice natin. Walang parehong voice. Walang parehong language, walang parehong saloobin, no? Walang parehong saloobin, iba-iba. Kaya I'm giving you structure instead of template kasi I want you to write with your own voice and that's a challenge, di ba? This script can be used in value posting too, right? At the same time for video. Yeah, pwede siyang gawin or gamitin. Now, meron pang, yan, structure number 2 is the Jordan. Now, tinawag ko tong Jordan kasi natutunan ko to kay Jordan. Si Jordan ay hindi yung basketball player na Jordan, pero si Jordan ay isang developer na gumagawa ng video. No, parang ganon. So, designer-developer siya na gumagawa ng video. Natutunan ko to sa kanya. No, sa structure na meron siya. So, meron tinatawag na Dayu hook, no? Halos kaparehas lang to ng great video, pero baka mas maintindihan nyo to kaysa dun sa great video. Meron tinatawag na Dayu hook. Ibig sabihin, hindi si Jordan Belfort. Si Jordan Blackman, yung pangalan niya. Brownman. Si Jordan. Yan. First is the U-hook. You can start by calling out the people. Like for example, do you have like blah 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 blah? Or are you struggling to find blah 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 blah? No? If you are a freelancer, mas sobrang solid kapag you yung ginamit mong word. Or Tagalog. Pwede naman Tagalog. Kung ikaw ay isang freelancer, di ba? Kung isa kang, ganito, ganyan. No, kung isa kang freelancer, may ka, ba? If you're interested, blah, blah, blah. So, the you hook, no? Pwede mong simulan. And actually, etong you is merong ginawang research, yung TubeBuddy, kung alam mo yung TubeBuddy. Merong ginawang research yung TubeBuddy na kung saan, nalaman daw nila na kapag yung ginamit mong word in the first 5 seconds of YouTube video, mag-i-increase yung overall views ng 66%, no? So, kung meron kang 100 views consistently in your video, madadagdagan siya magiging 160 views na siya kapag yung ginamit mo daw na pag gumamit ka ng you na word in the first 5 seconds. No? Ayan yung ayon sa research ng TubeBuddy. And also, yung views daw can increase to 97%. Wow, parang ang tali-talino pag binabasa to, no? And views can increase by 97%, essentially doubling down the view count if you is said twice in the first 5 seconds. No? So, that's the power of you in the first few seconds, which is the hook. So, pag ginamit mo daw yung you or pag 2 beses mo siyang ginamit, magiging 97%. So, if you have consistently 100 views, magiging 200 views siya kapag ginagamit mo yung word na you sa first few seconds ng videos mo. Ayun ay ayon sa research. At naniniwala naman ako kasi minsan may mga ganon na kapag kina-call out ko yung mga tao at sila yung tinutukoy ko, then pinapanood ng tao, mas nag-engage yung mga tao. Just a quick fact lang habang no? And yan, the intro, no? If you would like to introduce yourself, then pwede naman. Mamaya bibigyan ko yung example. And the promise made, ibig sabihin, ibibigay mo sa kanila kung ano yung promise mo after watching this video. Ano yung mangyayari after this video? Ano yung promise mo? And the promise kept, ibig sabihin, tinutupad mo yung pangarap. Tinutupad mo yung promise mo sa kanila. 'Di ba? The promise kept in this part. And of course, the call to action. Kung ano yung huli. So, the you hook, the intro, the promise made, the promise kept, and the call to action. No? Example, example of this structure is this. Number 2 structure. Ito ay ginamit ni Bonnie, isa sa mga friend ko na gumawa ng video. No? Are you having trouble expressing yourself in English even during small talk with your peers? No? Kung mapapansin nyo, ayan yung mga structure. Kita ba? Nahaharangan ko. Yan. Okay. Yan. Yan, okay. So, yan. The you hook, are you having trouble expressing yourself in English even during small talk with your peers? it sucks, right? The good thing is you came to the right place. Filler words. No, filler words. The intro. Hi, I'm Bonalyn. I'm an international business English trainer. Intro mo yung sarili mo. Pero very quick lang kasi nga, hindi to tungkol sa'yo, tungkol to sa kanila. Or hindi to para sa'yo, para to sa kanila. Para sa kung sino yung target mo. No? So, the intro is very quick. And also, the promise made, no? Promise made, ano yung pangako mo? In this video, I will show you the 3 simple steps that you can do when you are in that situation. Yung troubling, yung small talk. No? Pwede kang maging specific pa. Depende. Basta, i-deliver mo kung ano yung pangako mo sa kanila. I mean, sabihin mo sa kanila kung ano yung pangako mo sa kanila. The promise made. The promise kept naman is, dito mo na i-deliver yung, kung ano yung promise mo sa kanila. I call it 3A method. What exactly is 3A method? Number 1 is to answer their specific question. Number 2, add a few details about add few details to your answer. Number 3, ask a question based on your curiosity. So 3A method, answer, add, ask. So ayun yung ginawa niya. The promise kept. Dineliver mo na yung kung ano yung promise mo. 3 simple steps. Ito yung 3 simple steps. Answer, add, question. Answer, add, ask. No? And call to action. No, call to action. If you want to be a successful professional using English, book a trial lesson and let me help you how you can do that. No? So that's the Jordan structure. The you hook, the intro, the promise made, the promise kept, and the call to action. Yan. Malinaw ba yung number 2? Malinaw ba yung number 2? So far? Na-explain ko naman ba ng maayos? Mabilis ba ako magsalita? Or what? Or nag-iisip pa yun? Ina-absorb nyo? My God, ang linaw. Linaw. Clear daw, clear. Yan. Diba? Number 3 is yung 1. Yan, structure number 3 is 1. I call it 1. Bakit? Kasi, sobrang simple lang. 1 outcome, 1 solution, 1 pitfall. No? Ano yung big outcome? Ano yung 1 outcome na pwede nilang makuha sa video mo? And paano nila yun gagawin? 1 solution. And 1 pitfall, anong mangyayari kapag hindi nila yon ginawa? No? 1 outcome, 1 solution, 1 pitfall. Example, I have this example. Yan, I have this example about this one, yan. 1 outcome, 1 solution, 1 pitfall. Right? So, ito yung isa sa mga ginawa kong script. 1 outcome. Here's how you can convince your prospect to pay you higher price as a YouTube video editor. O kaya naman, here's how you can double your rate as a YouTube video editor. Right? May outcome. Ano yung outcome? Mababayaran ka ng mas malaki. O kaya naman, mababayaran ka ng doble. No, that's the outcome. Then, syempre, filler words. By the way, nangyari sa akin to mga ilang beses na. So, Tagalog naman, no? So, 1 solution. If you know how YouTube formula works, then, mas madali mong mapoposisyon yung services mo. 1 solution. Kailangan alam mo kung ano yung YouTube formula. Then, syempre, in-explain ko kung ano yon. Kung alam mo kung paano mo mapapataas yung views and subscriber niya by creating their videos, sa mata nila, you are the expert. You are a YouTube expert. Ayon yung solusyon. Alamin mo kung ano yung formula ng YouTube. Alamin mo kung paano mapapataas yung views and subscriber kapag ikaw yung gagawa ng video. No? Para sa mata nila, you are the YouTube expert. Not just their typical low-rate video editor. Pitfall. 'Di ba? Ano yung panganib? Panganib maging typical ka lang na low-rate video editor. Kapag hindi ka ganto, hindi mo nalaman to. No? Ito yung pitfall. No? So, kung gagawin niya, kung babasahin, here's how you can convince your prospect to pay you a higher price as a YouTube video editor. By the way, nangyari sa akin to mga ilang beses na. If you know how you YouTube formula works, then mas madali mong mapoposition yung services mo. Kung alam mo kung paano mo mapapataas yung views and subscriber niya by creating their videos sa mata nila, you are a YouTube expert, not just their typical low-rate video editor. O, di ba? Pati pag-deliver, sinabi ko na sa inyo. Di ba? Malinaw ba to? Yung yung structure 1, na tinatawag kong 1. Kasi 1 outcome, 1 solution, 1 pitfall. Ang ginagawa kong example ay kung anong alam kong expertise, no? Para kasi syempre ikaw yung expert sa kung ano yung gagawin mo or kung ano yung sasabihin mong content. Kaya pag alam mo yung structure, pag meron kang alam na structure, mas madaling makakasulat ng script. Structure number 4 is 1 reverse. May pa 1 reverse. Kasi nga naman, baliktad naman. Nauuna naman yung pitfall bago yung outcome. No? 1 pitfall, 1 solution, 1 outcome. That's the 1 reverse. Kung ano-ano lang mga sinasabi ko, no? Basta binaliktad. Binaliktad na 1 reverse. No? As an example, ito ay script based on Alex Hormozzi's content. Yung iba sa inyo baka kilala si Alex Hormozzi. No, this is one of his content. Tinweak ko lang to the point na mas maikli siya kasi mahaba yung content na to. So, pinaikli ko lang yung script. Pero based to sa content ni Alex Hormozzi. No? So, yan. 1 pitfall, the vast majority of schools don't teach reading past 5th grade. No, for some reason, we use all these fancy words. We expect people to know what they mean and they don't. As soon as people hear what they don't understand, they stop listening. No, pitfall. Right? Panganib. May panganib. And 1 solution. The way to combat this, para malabanan to, instead of saying, reciprocity means that you get better compliance from prospective customer. You just say, if you give people stuff, they're more likely gonna give you back. Ito daw na lang yung pwede mong gawin or sabihin. So, solution. No? Ano yung solution? Para pakinggan ka ng mga tao. Para hindi mangyari to. Then, ang point niya dito, make it simple, di ba? Ayun yung solution. No? Ano yung outcome kapag sinunod mo to? Ano yung outcome? When you say it that way, people actually understand what you are trying to say. No? It's not changing the substance of what you're talking about, but how you talk about it. This is the strongest thing that you can do to make all your content more effective. Outcome. Na-feel nyo naman, di ba, na outcome yon. So, that's 1 reverse. Una, pitfall. Pangalawa, solution. Pangalawa, yung outcome. Hi, Eb here. Thank you for watching this quick video about how to come up with video content ideas. Sana meron kang natutunan or at least naging malinaw pa yung mga bagay-bagay sa'yo. Enough para makontinue mo na yung pag-create mo ng video. Kung meron ka pang ibang need malaman, feel free to let me know. Pero ito, mabilis lang. Kung feeling mo sobrang technical talaga, tapos time-consuming for you, then I want to invite you for a call with me para pag-usapan natin paano natin isa-solve together. Kung gusto mo nang personally kumbinsihin yung mga tao about your products or services pero overwhelmed ka sa mga technicalities, kung gusto mo nang ma-share yung insights and wisdom na meron ka pero hindi kaya ng schedule, or maybe ayaw mo nang mag-trial and error pa sa paggawa ng content pero at the same time, ayaw mo na din namang pag-aralan yung mga detalye. Well, tara, mag-book ka ng schedule para pag-usapan natin kung paano ka either makakapag-start or paano pa mai-improve yung content mo. If you figure out natin yan together. Okay? So ayan, yung link nandun sa baba, schedule ka lang dyan.